This 2023 CrossRoads Hampton HP370FDL is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 41 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 8, stovetop burner, Slideout, LP detector, Skylight, auxiliary battery, TV, microwave, leveling jacks, awning, water heater, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features loft. The unloaded weight of this 2023 CrossRoads Hampton HP370FDL is 11,332 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.